You see, dear brothers and sisters, the noise in the Christian space now is so loud. The busyness is so obvious that if God does not help you to discern the still small voice from the noise, you'll be misled. You see, I wonder how Christians can be arguing in the public, arguing very loudly, that show me a verse of scripture that says cohabiting is a sin. Cohabiting, glorified fornication. They said, show me in scripture where cohabiting is a sin. The noise continues to grow and it is loud. People who are giving people the excuses to keep modifying the ancient landmarks, the rules, the principles that God has put in place. And you see, the louder the voices get, the larger their crowds will become. My assignment is basically twofold tonight as I begin this series. What God will do next Sunday, I don't know yet. But my assignment tonight first is to tell you that if you are afraid of being different in a noisy generation, you will compromise.